Sanibonani molweni Dumelangi option indaweni Dumachironi sikwamukele ohlelweni lwethu amagugu asemzimkhulu the treasures of NMZ. Kuleli hlelo ke la sisuke siqhakambisa khona abantu abazelelwe endaweni yasemzimkhulu bathatha igama lasemzimkhulu balibeka kwibalazwe. Namhlanje ke sihambeli sethu udokotela uNobuhle Nkabane ozalelwe endaweni yasemzimkhulu esigodini sasemfundweni. Ungudokotela aphinde abe yilungu lePhalamende. Kanti ke namuhla simthole eyogomela iCovid-19 Replay Hospital nayo engaphansi komasipala wasemzimkhulu. Kanti ke ukuhlelo lokugqugquzela abantu bakuleli ukuthi bagomele iCovid-19. Facilities endaweni zasezilali ezikustandard ezifana nakuma-urban areas. Sibonisa abantu government usesebenzile because sekwazile. Kanti ke namuhla ubegubha usuku lakhe lokuzalwa aligubhe ngendlela eyahlukile njengoba kube nguye othengele izingane zentombazane lapha encane ezalwe ngalolu suku yena azalwa ngalo izimpahla zokugqoka. Waphinda ke futhi lapha wathenga ikhekhe alise e-children's ward ukuyobungaza phela kanye nezingane usuku lakhe lokuzalwa.
Apha ke asiphe sesabambisana ne-department management yalapha ekhaya. Lo thethayo ngumama uNkabane ne oseParliament National Assembly. Yesterday bekuyi-birthday yakhe. Ungumama ke okhule esokola kakhulanga kakuhle i-background beyinganhlanga. So ubone uba i-birthday present yakhe efuneka zenzele yona ukuthi ancedise omnye umntwana oye wazalwa oyintombazana ngosuku wazalwa ngalo. So zizo ezi zinto esithe masigqithe sikushiyele zona. Ubani umntwana kamalakane uOlwenkosi sithe masimphathele ezi zinto. Yes. Ake Olwenkosi uyasikhalela siyakuthula kubaleka okay. So ndiyendathi because thina sisuke kumakhaya bengathathi ntweni i-birthday celebrations bekuzizwe into ezinqabile. Ndathi kungenzeka because i-South Africa isane-problems ze-inequalities. Uba kungenzeka basakhona kweminye imizi nabo ekunzima uba bangenza i-celebrations. Ndathi ndizawuthenga ikeki ndizoyishiya apha e-children's ward bayithethe abantu. Seningandiculela yakhe. Sishiye i-cake.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. How old are you now? How old are you now? How old are you now? How old are you now?
Ngemuva kokuthi-ke yena umhlonishwa eseqedile ukugoma sibeke sesithola ithuba lokuthi-ke sixoxisane naye udokotela lona-ke ukucheck-a nje ukuthi-ke lona uhlelo lokugoma lungabe-ke luhambe kanjani.
Sawubona dokotela.
Yebo mangibingelele kubalaleli emakhaya.
Mhlawumbe kukhona obukile njengamanje ongazi nokuthi udokotela ubani. Mhlawumbe ungakazi usidebela isithombe ukuthi udokotela ubani, uzalelwe yaphi, wakhula, wafunda phi kanjalo aze gcine honorable nje.
No, igama lami ke njengoba bese ngitshilo nje nguNobuhlobo kaNkabane khona apha eMzimkhulu kwilali yasemfundweni. Ndizale kwilali ekuthiwa kuse-IBC nokwabanye baye bathi ke i-township okanye ilokishi. Ndafunda amabanga phansi khona e-IBC e-primary. But saqale safundela ecaweni yamaWesile eyayisindwa eyayenziwe ngondlu yodaka eyayikhona phaya elalini kuyayisetshenziswa as kwangasi grade R kwaku standard A. So ufunde khona, ufunda nase-primary, wafunda nase-high school, but wagqibezela e-high school eDurban lapho wafumana khona matric. From there wafunda e-DUT kumabanga aphezulu, wafunda nase-UKZN lapho eze wathola khona, wafunda nase-UNISA kodwa ke UKZN lapho eze wathola khona iziqu zakhe zobudokotela. Kodwa ngiye ngasebenza ke ku-public sector eHarry Gwala naseMzimkhulu. Ngisebenza kakhulukazi eduze nakwabantu lapho eHarry Gwala ndiye ndasebenza khona nento ze-youth development. Ndiye ndane-passion kakhulu ye-community development ne-development broadly. Ndamuva ke apho ke ndaphinde ndafumana i-responsibility yokuba customer service yokubheka ukuthi izinsiza abantu bakithi abantulayo basemakhaya bazifumana nangendlela ifanelekileyo lapho ebebe-reporta khona bakhona izinto abangenelisikanga yizo. Ndaphinde ndakhuliswa khona kula institution yaseHarry Gwala. Ndaba u-Director Water Governance and Regulation, ndibheka into ze-water quality compliance ukuthi abantu baphuza amanzi asezingeni lokuthi angaphuza na umuntu. Bekuyilezo zinto umuntu ebebhekene nazo. Njengamanje ke umuntu segcine esethunywa umbutho omkhulu wesizwe nabantu base-South Africa bebonkana ukuthi akabamele esishayeni imithetho sase-Cape Town kwi-National Assembly lapho wanikeza responsibility yokuthi abe uwhip waka-Employment and Labour ngaphansi kukaMinister uThulas Unxisi. Inkosi.
Kusho ukuthi makuthiwa indlela kuzoyikhulunywa ngawo.
Hayi kusuka ikhulunywa ngayo ndingaba mfutshane nje mina kodwa indlela esendihambile inde kakhulu.
Inyawo zinodaka. Okay. Namhlanje besicela nje futhi uphinde usichazele nje ngako konke na ukuthi ufila kanjani, ujabulile ngako konke kwenzeke namhlanje, mhlawumbe uphinde usitshele ukuthi kwenzekani ugcineni ufile kanjani ngayo yonke into eyenzekile namhlanje.
Xa ngaba ndiye ndalula isandla ndiye ndizive ndijabule kakhulu ngoba ke siye sakhulela phansi komzi okholelwa enkonzweni nokhululeka kubuthixo. Ndiyithathe njenge-public service njenge-calling. That's why ndingayi-undermine, ndiyithatha serious. Yiyo lento ndiye ndithi mandiligubhe lo suku lami lokuzalwa ngokuthi nami ndelule isandla ndizonceda lamntana esesam-identifya ePids okuyena ekuthiwe uye wa-identifya njengomntana osokolayo ona 21 years osemncinci nje ozale umntwana oyintombazana yesterday ekuseni ekuyena esesamncedisa samthengela impahla zokunxiba. Sasuka ke apho saya nase-children's ward apho sashiya khona i-birthday cake yami bendiyilungiselele for yesterday. But ndiye ndathi emva kaloko mandibe responsible ngokuthi ndize ndivaccinate nokuvaccinata as a celebration losuku lami lokuzalwa, ndibe responsible nokuthi ngikwazi ukuthi ngithole i-chance lokugqugquzela abantu bakithi kakhulukazi le generation engangami nabazemva kwami ukuthi mase kufike ithuba lalo ama-2000 nge-1 kaSeptember baphume bonke ngobuninzi babo bazovaccinate kwenzela basizawusinda kulolu bhubhane kwase silibonile selibulale abantu abaninzi either directly or indirectly seyisi-affectile sisonke sabantu basemzimkhulu sabantu bakwaZulu-Natal sabantu base-South Africa.
Okay, kuyinyanga yabantu besifazane nje besicela nje umyalezo wokugcina kubabukeli bethu nakubantu besifazane ukuthi uthini wena kule nyanga yabantu besifazane.
No, ngithi sabantu besifazane into embi kabi esasiphethe kuye kuthiwe abantu besifazane kudala they were triple oppressed. Mina ndisenayo i-feeling yokuthi even today we are still oppressed as women. Kakhulukazi njengoba siphila kule society esithi kufe lokho sithi immoral fiber othola ukuthi manje umuntu wesifazane angizethembi ukuhamba emnyameni ndizibona njengaphephile manibona uza kwethu andimboni njengomuntu ozanikhusela njengakudala kwakwenzeka kanjalo. Ndizathi sabantu besifazane we need to raise our voices sithethe ngalezi zinto. But also we need a collaboration nabantu abangotata because we are not going to fight lezi ngxaki esibhekene nazo zo gender based violence if asiyitholi i-partnership ne-collaboration with bona. Masihlaleni phansi namakhosi nezinduna nama-traditional leaders nama-traditional healers yonke ama-stakeholders akhona ekuhlaleni silwe nazo zonke lezi ngxaki abantu besifazane ababhekene nazo nanokuthi izinsiza makuthiwa akho ama-services emakhaya kakhulukazi ezilalini abantu aba-affecteka kakhulu abantu besifazane because funeka uthathe ibhakethi uyokha amanzi emfuleni uyabuya emfuleni ufuna ukupheka ugqiba upheka funeka unakekela abantwana funeka wenze zonke uze ugqiba unakelekela notata ingaske nabatata abafuthi kuma-programs enzayo kakhulukazi ngenyanga zabotata ngicima nayo ibalulekile bafundiswe uba responsible ukuthi asingathathwa njengokuthi i-domestic work yethu soda sabantu besifazane makubanjiswane nje ekhaya nje bamanithathile sibambisane sisebenzisa ngokuncedisana angabikho omunye obonakala esa-oppressed egqilazeka kakhulu. Yilelo nje ilizwi engifisa ulishiya nakubantu bakithi nokuthi asike sizimisele ukuthi sibe yi-part of i-solution as abantu besifazane. Let's come up with ama-programs ekuhlaleni azawukwazi ukushintsha impilo zabantu bakithi besifazane babe ngcono njengalama-interventions uDr. Nkaba Nondimi aze nawo namhlanje esibhedlela ukuthi umakhelwane wakho mazi ukuthi uphila kanjani uma ukwazi ukumncedisa ukwazi ukumncedisa ungakwazi ukulala wena udle izambane laponto kanti ummelwane wakho ulale engadlanga. Ilonto nje endithi masibuyele kubuntu.
Asibonge kakhulu ayamnaza amnandi akafuna ukuphindwa akafuna ukoniwa nathi sithanda ukuzibongela ke and we full honored ukuthi sibe ingxenye ye-journey yakho ke namhlanje uthe wayithatha ukwenza zonke into ezenzekile ke namhlanje siyabonga kakhulu.
Siyabonga kakhulu nami bonke nakubalaleli emakhaya ndivalelise Nkosi.
Nezikhulu zazo-ke izibhedlela ngokwehlukana kwezikhundla zazo zithe-ke zathatha leli thuba lokuthi-ke phela-ke zikhulume namalungu omphakathi lapho-ke ziwanxenxa khona ukuba-ke phela agomele lona-ke leli gciwane elumbhedukazi.
Kumphakathi wonke wethu osisekele la siyawucela siyawugqugquzela ukuthi uze uzogoma. Kubalekile ukugoma njengoba sonke sazi ukuthi ukugoma kuyamsiza ukuthi umuntu kumqinise kumvikele uma ngabe ehlaselwa isifo se-COVID.
Into endingayigqugquzela kakhulu ukuthi abantu mabeze bazogonywa and kwi-Herigwala yonke andizothathela i-Ridgeway to be specific but iHerigwala yonke siqalile ukugoma ukusukela ngoko besiqala abantu abasebenzayo abasebenzi abazempilo amapolisa nabo bonke abanye abantu ne-age groups zonke zikhona and ugonyo lwethu izibhedlela zethu zonhlanu ziyasebenza i-Christ the King, i-Ridgeway Hospital, i-EJ Asha, i-San Apollinaris nePolela at the same time abantu bangakwazi ukuya kumakliniki angasemakhaya xa ibona uba ukusuka eRedflay ezibesike satsho eRedflay nee-wards eziyi-22 kodwa njengoba inkulu kangaka inazo iikliniki ezincinci eziwithin umzi mkhulu. So ukuya kwindawo ekufutshane nawo uva abasebenzi bezempilo bazawufika nini kwindawo yangakowenu ukuze ungaxhamleki ukhwele babe bezawuza nakuloo ndawo bagome, because sinazo nee-outreach programs apho sisuka khona singabasebenzi bezempilo siye kubantu emakhaya.
Kubalulekile ugoma because we have seen into yoba even though amanani e-COVID ayenyuka kwezi groups sezivaccinatiwe noba bayayifumana i-COVID, they don't get as ill as they would get if they had not been vaccinated. So I would encourage abantu bethu into yobana they must go out and get vaccinated because we are trying to reduce deaths that are caused by COVID as much as possible. So it is only when we go out to vaccinate that we'll be even able to achieve what we say is herd immunity, where we get protection even of those who are unable to go and get vaccinated. We are trying kangangoko as iRedflay to roll out vaccine to all areas zasemzimkhulu as the sexual our area is big, which has necessitated that many outreaches to the corners, the various corners of our sub-district. And we want to encourage abantu bethu into yobana they must go out and vaccinate, and please they must stop listening to information that comes from irreliable sources, because it is those irreliable sources ezenza into yobana abantu babe bathandabuze into yobana is this vaccine for us or against us. The vaccine is aimed to assist us to fight against COVID-19. So let us all go out and vaccinate.
Ake beku Dr. Nkabani lo esithatha through to isuku lakhe ukuthi kwenzekeleni ezo vaccinator ezo celebrate ibirthday yakhe nezingane kube mnandi nje nathi sijabulile ukuthi sihambe naye kuyo yonke le ndlela uzokucela ke ulandele usibukele lapha ku Dream On TV siyabonga.